Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to make your liked videos public on TikTok. Many users want to share their favorite content, and this simple guide will help you do just that. We'll walk through the exact steps to ensure your liked videos are visible to everyone, giving you full control over your profile's visibility. It's a straightforward process that takes less than 1 minute to complete, allowing you to easily manage your digital footprint on the platform. To begin, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, you will see a navigation bar at the bottom. Tap on the profile icon, which is usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This action will take you to your personal profile page. From there, look for the three-line menu icon, sometimes called a hamburger menu, positioned in the top right corner. This menu is your gateway to settings. After tapping the three-line menu, a side panel will appear with several options. You'll want to select Settings and Privacy to proceed. Within the Settings and Privacy menu, find and tap on Privacy, which is typically listed under the Account section. Once you are in the Privacy settings, scroll down the page. Look for a section labeled Safety or Interactions, and within it, you will find the Liked Videos option. This is where the magic happens. Now that you've found the Liked Videos setting, tap on it. You will be presented with two primary options, Everyone or Only You. To make your liked videos visible to all users, simply select Everyone. If you prefer to keep them private, you would choose Only You. After making your selection, the change is applied instantly. You can always revisit this setting to adjust your preference, giving you complete control over who sees your favorite content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.